Hi friends, today we will discuss about 12th class first chapter, that is relations and functions. This is one of the important chapter and we have already learnt in 11th class also. If we have an idea about relations in 11th class, then we can able to solve easily in 12th class also. But once again we will recall what we have learnt earlier and what is about relations. What is a relation? First we will talk about what is relation in this section. Relation. When we are saying relation means a relation is a set of inputs and outputs. A relation is a set of inputs and outputs is called a set of inputs and outputs. Is called relation. Set of inputs and outputs is called relation. Like we have in 11th class, we have taken examples also, like whatever we are taking. For example, we have to make a juice. So we are taking, if we take sugarcane, then we will get sugarcane juice. If we are taking orange, we will get orange juice. So what is input and what is output? Whatever we are placing, that is only the back, or that is only the product. So like that, a set of inputs and outputs is called relation. And here we Cartesian plane we know very well. For example, here if I see A subsets A's elements are 1, 2, 3 and B's let us take 3 and 4. Then here we can able to say like Cartesian plane A into B is equals to, here I can able to write like this. This is the Cartesian plane symbol A into B product. 1, 2, 3 into subset of elements of A into elements of B when we are multiplying. So that here we will get is 1 comma here 3. 1 comma, if I take like this, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, then 2 comma 3, and once again 2 comma 4, like that, 3 comma 3, then last is 3 comma 4. So these are the Cartesian plane symbol. Here we have, this is called order paid. This is called ordered paid. What do we call this? Ordered paid. This is called ordered paid. When we are saying elements of A and elements of B when we are multiplying, then that time we will get, this is called ordered paid. Elements of A and 1, here we are not multiplying, 1 comma 3, 1 into 3 here we are taking, 1 comma 4, like that, 2 comma 3 and 2 comma 4, 3 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. So this is called order paid, what we have learned. Now if we want to frame that relation, if they something they are giving relation, then that time what we have to do? Like in relation, these are called order to be A. For example, here if we take, this is A and this is B. If we take the like this, 1, 2, 3 and we have taken there 4, 5. If we are taking like that, then what we have to do, if relation they are saying A to B is such that relation they had given here is A to B or B to A. Relation is such that, like that, they had given there is, let us assume x comma y is such that relation is x plus y is equals to 7. This is the function they had given. This is the function they had given means Now here we have to see which one we will get. If we take 1 comma 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. We will not get x is 1 and y is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5 but not 7. Like that if we take 2 plus 4 we will not get 7. So here I am writing here like I want this 2 means 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 4. These two are the elements which we have to take. Like here elements are 2 comma 5 and second one is 3 comma 4. These are the subsets which are fulfilling. So this is function they have given that x plus y, the sum of that x plus y should be 7. So 2 plus 5 is also 7, 3 plus 4 is also 7. Cartesian, this is also called Cartesian product. This is called Cartesian products, what we are talking. Set of all order pairs are called, this set of all paired orders is called order pair, which we have discussed before also.